This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and in today's video I'll show how you can use the Talkback feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Accessibility category, and here you have the separate section for the Talkback. So now let's open its properties. You can enable or disable the Talkback feature from here. Let me quickly show you. That's how you switch it off and switch it on respectively. Now there are settings for your Talkback. You can customize it and just change about a million things and a million properties of the Talkback. But the easier way to use the Talkback is through its shortcut, so I recommend that you enable it. Here you can decide which properties it will have. So you can make it so that the shortcut will be an actual button shortcut on the side of your screen. You can move it around and place it wherever you want. You can also go into this button settings here, change its size, fade when not in use, transparency, select actions, and so on. Once all those options are enabled, you can enable or disable the Talkback using this button here. Or you can press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume and down buttons for 3 seconds to respectively enable or disable the Talkback. So something went wrong apparently, so let me retry to do that. Yep, as you can see, the Talkback has been enabled by simultaneously holding both volume buttons, and in order to switch it off, you can do the same thing. Just hold them for 3 seconds, and the volume keys will make it so that the Talkback will get deactivated. Another option, as you can see from here, is to press side and volume up buttons in the same fashion. So press and hold them for 3 seconds, the Talkback will or should get enabled. Need to first set it up properly. Anyway, you got the point, or actually it had some strange delay, but eventually the Talkback was enabled, and now let's disable it the same way. As simple as that, so I guess I will end the video here. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.